summer project is about science projects. My thick question is what science projects or project can I find that will interest others to do project and learn something along the way? Why I chose my project. It was fun to do. It may get others interested to start doing projects. You may learn things you didn't know. And it gives a way for you to experiment and make the project better. The materials I just had a bunch of wood stuff I cut out, and I also had like 8 syringes, which I used, and then a bunch of zip ties, and a lot of plastic tubing. For the procedure, I made a list and picked a project, which was this one. I found and purchased the materials, and then I cut out wood pieces for my project, and then I put all the parts together. This is what I used to cut out. My dad was my mentor for this project because he helped me through building it, and he also helped me get all the parts and cut out the wood, and YouTube videos. So this is my product. It can probably lift a pound if I tried to make it, if I can lift a soda can. It uses hydraulics, which basically, if you push on one end, the other end would go up. So I'm using air right now. Normally you want to use water. About it, it uses hydraulics. It's made out of wood instead of cardboard because I want it to last longer. For me, it costs about $30. It could probably be $15. There's thousands of other projects you can do if you don't want to do this one. Okay, I'm going to give a small demonstration on how it works, because each one of these pipes is hooked up to this, and when you push on one end, the other end would go. So if you have this one, you can make it go up and down, and then this one, if you pull, it claps the arms. See that? Here. And then there's some that would make it go up and down. And I also have one that'll turn it. And yeah, you can probably grab something. I didn't bring anything to grab, so I can't grab anything. What I've learned, I learned many things about hydraulics and how they work. If you put 2 minds to it, it will be easier than you think, and it was very fun to do. There's my work today.